In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NFC and contactless payments on your Android phone. First, a quick heads up on what we're doing. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It's the short range wireless tech that lets your phone securely talk to payment terminals for tap to pay. Turning it on and setting a default payment app is what makes contactless payments work smoothly. Start by opening your phone's settings. Every Android looks a little different, so don't worry if your menus aren't identical to mine. The fastest way is to use the search bar at the top of settings and type NFC. If you don't see a search bar, look under sections like Connections, Connected Devices, or sometimes More Connection Settings. When you find NFC, tap it and switch the toggle to On. You might notice a small N icon in your Quick Settings panel once it's enabled. That's normal and simply indicates NFC is available. Next, let's set up contactless payments. While you are still in the NFC area, look for contactless payments or a similar option. Tap that and choose your default payment service, such as Google Wallet or Samsung Pay. Picking a default ensures you don't have to open an app every time you pay. The phone knows which one to use automatically. Now open the payment app you selected. Inside, add your bank card details by following the on-screen prompts. The app guides you through each step, and you may be asked to confirm with your bank for security. This process protects you and helps prevent unauthorized use. Before you are finished, make sure your phone has a secure screen lock, like a PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Contactless payments require this for authentication, and it's a key part of keeping your wallet safe. If you already use a lock screen, you are good to go. Once everything's enabled, you can pay by unlocking your phone and holding it near the merchant's contactless terminal. Aim the top or back of your phone over the contactless symbol until you feel a vibration or see a check mark. You don't need to open the payment app if you've set a default. If it doesn't register right away, adjust the position slightly and hold for a second or two. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you can't find NFC in settings, your device may not support it. Also, keep NFC turned on for tap to pay to work. And remember that contactless payments use secure tokens rather than sharing your actual card number. That's it. Thanks for watching.